Security guards were trying to calm down my dad, and they were checking up on me because there was blood coming down like all over my uniform, and like at this point, like I had marks on my neck and shit.
Hi my country people, how una dey? Today I bring una latest gist concerning JJC Skills and Funke Akindele. Dat popular musician Abdulrasheed Bello, wey everybody know as JJC Skills, don come outside hit the nail for head say true he and im wife Funke Akindele aka Omoghetto aka Jennifer aka Suliat Ken Ayetoro Ken don separate. The guy yarn am for im Instagram page say e don reach 2 years now wey im dey manage the kasala wey dey between dem. JJC tok further say im try im best to make the marriage work, but all im effort be like person wey dey pour water for inside basket. As e be now, water don pass garri. E say wetin remain now na how to take care of the twin pikin wey God give dem and the business wey dem follow build together. Na August 2016 JJC and Funke Akindele go say I do for altar. The Gambody produce twins wey our Igbo people dey call Ejime and Ibeji for Yoruba land. Before the marriage hit the rock, e get some things wey don dey happen and wey busybody don dey talk say fit make the marriage scatter. First, e get one prophet wey im name be Olagoroye Faleyimu. Na im be the founder of Mountain of Blessing and Miracle Church of Christ. The man of God prophesy say for wetin im dey see as God reveal to am, Funke Akindele go get name and money well, but God fit no give am stable husband and pikin unless she pray well.
Amen. 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 Thank you, Lord. 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 Thank you, Lord.
As God big pass human being, na 2 years after their marriage, Baba God dash dem 2 pikin. The second thing be the rumor wey some people dey carry about concerning the twins wey Funke Akindele born. Dem say na somebody help am carry the belle for obodo oyinbo through wetin English people dey call surrogate. Who come be the woman wey carry the belle? Abeg, if you ask me, na who I go ask. Ella, wey be the first baby mama to JJC, throway bomb for social media sometimes ago say Funke Akindele catch her husband where another woman dey suck im cucumber and she no fit talk.
Wow, I had several multigrains for breakfast and they were so nutritious.
And now I don't have the time sourcing for most of these greens I enjoyed back then.
Mela further talk say na for im son body JJC dey get power. Say e beat the boy sotey leave wound for im body.
When my dad did pick me up whilst we were driving, he began to start shouting at me, and I could only just say sorry. I could only just just try to diffuse the thing, but he slapped me first, and we've all been slapped. It happens, and then the slaps turned into punches, and it was repeated punches in the school grounds. And the security guards, there were about 10-15 security guards that were just there trying to hold my dad back, and he just kept on punching me in my head, and it just kept on becoming worse and worse and worse. And as you can see there, like, I just started getting blood coming out my head and all of that shit. And I tried to leave, and he grabbed my tie and like started choking me and shit, and like kept on punching me in my head and all of that. And the security guards were trying to hold him back to make him stop doing that to me.
Again, Funke Akindele stepson, wey im name be Benito, come outside few weeks ago come tok say the kind life wey im papa and im stepmother dey live na fake sake of say im papa dey carry woman about and Funke Akindele too dey sleep around with men. In fact, the boy tok say dem dey for open relationship.
Kí màá fẹ́ fún ẹ báyìí? $1 million. Kí màá fẹ́ fún ẹ báyìí?
Benito no stop there o. Im do video wey im take accuse the Nollywood actress say she dey maltreat the people wey dey work for am.
And he's screaming that I'm never gonna leave the country and that he's gonna kill me and that he's gonna make my life a living hell, and
She believe say anybody wey come near her husband dey sleep with am since she no trust anybody.
Black like charcoal. Come! You ain't naked, I don't shoot car for confidence, keep everybody, we no take up. Wà lórí mi wá sí my
My people, tori plenty o. Celebrity marriage no be mine. Anyway, we go make effort make we hear wetin Jennifer wan talk concerning the tori. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele.